Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a brand identity with Canva. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button. Choose custom dimensions for a specific size or select a template that suits your needs. After you enter the design canvas, familiarize yourself with the left-hand toolbar. Begin by selecting a color palette that reflects your brand's personality. You can find color palette options in the Elements section or create your own. Next, add text to your design by clicking on Text in the toolbar. Choose from different text styles and fonts to create a cohesive look. Make sure to select fonts that are readable and resonate with your brand identity. Now, upload your logo by clicking on the Uploads tab. Drag and drop your logo onto the canvas and position it where it feels balanced. Incorporate images or icons that complement your brand messaging. Browse Canva's library for free images or upload your own. Create consistency by using the same colors, fonts, and imagery across all designs. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPEG. Click Download to save your design to your computer. Consider using the design in various formats, like social media posts or business cards. Repeat these steps for additional brand elements, like banners and marketing materials. Testing your designs in real-life scenarios will help ensure they connect with your audience. Effective brand identity creation involves repetition and consistency across all platforms. Continue refining and adjusting your designs based on feedback and trends. With Canva, building a professional brand identity can be quick and user-friendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.